Charged with a series of rapes dating back more than a decade ago appeared in a Boston courtroom today. Prosecutors say DNA evidence links Matthew Nilo to 3 rape cases and a sexual assault. Our Corey Smith joining us in the newsroom with new details revealed today.
The victims in these cases were women trying to get home, asking for help, or simply out for a jog. For years, detectives knew the cases were connected, but the suspect wasn't identified until investigators got a break through DNA testing. 35-year-old Matthew Nilo is charged with kidnapping, aggravated rape, and assault in 4 cases dating back more than 15 years.
August 18th of 2007, the victim, a 23-year-old woman, was out with a friend in downtown Boston. On November 22nd of 2007, another 23-year-old woman left a bar on State Street. On August 5th of 2008, a 36-year-old woman was panhandling in the area of Boylston and Arlington Streets.
In each of these cases, prosecutors say he targeted women and drove them under false pretenses to Terminal Street in Charlestown, where he raped them. DNA testing linked the cases, but there was no match in the criminal database. Last year, Boston police revisited these investigations and a 4th sexual assault in that location using Forensic Investigative Genetic Genealogy, which led them to focus on Matthew Nilo as a person of interest.
FBI agents were able to obtain various utensils and drinking glasses they watched the defendant use at a corporate event. From one of the glasses, the Boston Police Crime Lab was able to obtain a male DNA profile, which is found to match the suspect profile from the 3 Terminal Street rapes.
Nilo, now a practicing attorney, pleaded not guilty to the charges. He was arrested last week in New Jersey, where he was living with his fiancée. His defense attorney only commented on the methods used to identify his client as a suspect.
It seems that they obtained DNA evidence without ever obtaining a search warrant.
So that's surreptitious DNA collection, and it's pretty common with the idea that you no longer have a right to privacy in the material that you discard.
Peter Valentin is the chair of the forensics department at the University of New Haven.
What's so revolutionary about forensic genetic genealogy, it gives us a whole new pool of people to begin to look at, to begin to make associations with the evidence we have at scenes.
Nilo is being held on $500,000 bail and will be subject to GPS monitoring if he's released. In the newsroom, Corey Smith, NBC 10 Boston.